Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's see what is coming in our Kalima cards today, the Kalima oracles today. Many of you really enjoy the readings and feel a lot of resonate towards it. So do let me know what changes, because I think now it's been 3-4 months since I bring in Kali cards now and then. If you can let me know what changes these cards bring to you, so it will be easy for me to bring in more tips also. So the first card which has come is the Bhairavi Yogi and the Kali Kalmasa Nashini. Two beautiful cards have come in our reading today. Now when you see the Bhairavi Yogini is a fierce lady or is a fierce Devi. Her appearance usually comes in even in times when our auras are all entangled. We need to work on our auras. We are feeling sabotage. We are feeling hurt, and we feel we have been used. So when she comes, it is basically to burn off the past, get over with it, work on your Muladhara chakra, which is your root chakra, and start grounding yourself, accepting whatever is happening. So today I would suggest, because it works on grounding oneself, why don't you use the color red as your thing, because root chakra needs to be worked, and for root chakra you all know red is the best color, because when you work on your root chakra, and if the root chakra starts working nicely, then comes your Kali Kalmasanashini, who is basically a lady who helps in manifesting your powers, manifesting your desires, and she is an aggressive lady who works towards your heart, your power, your ego, anything that is related to you, and she makes it to happen. Basically, if you decide something has to be done, then it is done. That is how she is, because when you pray to her, and if you see, I would suggest, just look at her. I'm just giving a close up here. Look at her and tell her, oh dear Kalika Kalmasanashini, remove all the negativities from my heart, remove all the unwanted energies from my heart, make me feel your power, enhance my energies, power my soul, make me understand the energies around me, and help me in going in the right path and working not only for the benefit of myself but for that of others. And I'm sure she's going to guide you beautifully, and she's going to help you all beautifully. As I said, wear the color red today and work towards it. For grounding, you can do some grounding meditation from YouTube. It will benefit you a lot. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.